What's up, guys? It's your favorite fitness professional here, Coach Bryan, and today I want to talk to you about SMR. What is SMR? Well, it stands for self-myofascial release. Your fascia is a sheet or band of fibrous connective tissue enveloping, separating, or binding together muscles, organs, and other soft structures of the body. When you work out, during your daily life, sitting, standing, walking, running, jumping, everything that you're doing, you're using your muscles and you're going to become tight, they're going to become overactive. One of the best things that you can do is SMR. Now, what's SMR going to do for you? It's going to increase your circulation to your muscles and connective tissues, which in turn is going to help you experience less muscle soreness. Your muscles will now maintain a normal functional muscular length, and you will experience improved flexibility and performance. Now, why is that important? Well, many of us want to improve on our daily activities. We want to improve in the sports that we play. We want to feel pain-free throughout the day. A study published in the International Journal of Exercise Science of July 2014 compared two groups in SMR by foam rolling and a total body dynamic warm-up with top professional athletes. Tested variables were a sit and reach test, a vertical jump, a standing long jump, an 18.3 meter pro agility, an indirect 1-rep max bench press, and a 37-meter sprint. The results recorded with the test was a significant improvement in almost all areas by the SMR group over the dynamic warm-up group, except the sit and reach test. Now there's the question, when do you SMR? When do you foam roll? Really any time is going to work. Whenever you feel those tight overactive muscles, you're sitting at the office, you're at a computer all day, you're hunched over, your upper back is tight, find that foam roller, find that SMR tool, that tennis ball you have in your cabinet, pull it out, use the wall, use the floor, just apply pressure to that point and roll around and break up that scar tissues, those adhesions in there, allow fresh blood flow. Allow the oxygen to get in there and flush out that lactic acid. It's going to help your posture. It's going to improve your flexibility. According to our study, you can foam roll before you perform. You know, you're doing your squats, your deadlifts, your bench press. It's only going to help your performance be that much better. You can foam roll at night. You can foam roll after your workout for recovery purposes. Always great to foam roll the next day after the workout, that area you hit the day before. Again, breaking up that scar tissue, allowing the fresh blood flow, drink plenty of water, and it's all going to help you recover faster. Now that we understand what and why, let's go show you how. Today we're going to demonstrate how to foam roll the calves because they are one of the tightest muscles on the human body. They deal with everyday life, plantar flexion of the foot. Go ahead and flex. This is plantar flexion right here, which is pretty much everything that we do as far as walking, jogging, running, everyday activities. It's very important. As a coach, this is something that we look for in the overhead squat assessment to adjust compensations, to help improve performance, flexibility, and to make everyday life just a little bit better. All right, we're going to go over some basic anatomy here of the calf muscles. Consists of two main muscle groups here. We have the gastrocnemius, which connects at the top of the tibia behind the knee and runs all the way down to the Achilles tendon, which is going to run to the base of the heel right here. It consists of two heads. We have the medial head, which is the larger portion, and then the lateral head on the outside, which is the smaller portion. Go ahead and flex for us. There, Noel. Awesome, thank you. And then down underneath, superficially, lies the soleus. It's a deep-lying muscle tissue. It runs pretty much the full length of the tibia all the way down the back of the leg. So here today, we're going to use a foam roller as our SMR. As you can see, Noel, he's already placed it on his gastrocnemius. And now Noel will just roll back and forth nice and slow. Let's go to about 4 times front and back. Now, there really is no wrong way to do this. Just take your time, be easy with it, do whatever is feeling good in the moment. All right, now you did 4 times back and forth. Let's go a little bit side to side rolling, a little cross friction there. So what we're doing right now is we're breaking up all that scar tissue that is in his calves, which is going to allow new fresh blood, fresh oxygen, going to get the lactic acid out. It's going to flush out all that waste, and it's going to help him improve his flexibility and recovery. Nice and easy, Noel. All right. Thank you, sir. in the end, foam rolling is only going to help you. There are a few people you need to watch out for, a few things you need to be concerned of. Varicose veins, because of how close they are to the skin. You got to be careful not to foam roll those. They could pop. Problems could occur with that. And then be careful around the lower spine, because there's a lot of nerves. There's floating vertebrae down there. So just little areas you want to be careful about. Besides that, have fun with it. Feel good about it. Get out there and start foam rolling.